Hey everybody, Dimitri here with Cirque Supply. I'm standing in front of a customer's DIY build. We're gonna walk through it. It is a Sprinter 144 high roof. Without further ado, let's dig right in. Special thank you to the owner of Raz Custom Bicycle Wheels. He is the one who built out this van by himself. We did not touch a single thing on this. I quickly want to go over kind of the things he has on the outside, then we'll move on to the inside. He has these beautiful BF Goodrich wheels with these Mercedes wheels. You probably recognize them from most Storyteller builds. Nice orange accents. Flatline Vanco roof rack. It's really low profile. Let me get you out of the sun here. Get a little bit of a better view. There it is. He has solar up there. I believe he has a Max Air fan, no AC. And then, of course, the new full flares on the back. Now this side has an awning window and the other side has a bunk window, but this is how it turned out. Now we don't currently have a compatible kit for flare space, so he had to cut our wall panels to make them fit, but check out the inside of this van. Boy, does it look gorgeous. So let's start with the floor. Number one, I don't even know what kind of floor this is, but he made it himself and it looks absolutely beautiful. Moving up, we have you guys probably recognize this from Rigwell. It does not currently have the bed. Sorry, Corey, but man, I can't say enough things about the Rigwell bed. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautifully built. It actually came with these bamboo panels right here, but we have replaced a few of them with black hex. This panel here still needs to be replaced, but it's got some cutouts because of the power system. But he did black hex ply panels on his Rigwell bed, and he also accented all of his lower panels on his wall panel kit with black hex as well. Cool thing about this bed is that it actually folds up out of the way. It latches onto this system here. It's really pretty neat. And you know, honestly, Corey, if you're watching this, black hex looks really good with your stuff, dude. Really cool system. Just slides in and out. There's no rattling to this. He's got locking compression latches down below. And I want to show you this DIY power system put together here. It looks absolutely breathtaking. He did a great job. Again, he did all of this by himself. We did not touch anything here. Let me get the other side open for you guys. Take a look. All right, perfect. So here we are, lifetime 12 volt, 230 amp hour battery. There is a 3000 watt Renogy inverter up here. It's got a controller to, I guess, turn it off when you don't want it to burn power from the battery. And then the rest of his controls actually live down here. Here's that Renogy controller I was talking about. And then he has the battery monitoring system as well. Overall, man, I'm really impressed with how he did this. Again, the wiring's really clean. It's all rated properly. The fuses are all labeled. He did a very meticulous job. A few of the other features I want to show are those plugs. Let me show you those guys right now. All right, it's our 3-zone dimmer kit. I'm going to turn these on real quick so you can see. There they are. Ceiling lights. There's 2 of them are connected to the ceiling lights, and the third dimmer is actually connected to those puck lights underneath inside of the flare space trim rings. He also sourced these. Let me get up close. This is really cool. These are 12 volt chargers. They are high output, so they charge super fast. And you can turn on that and turn off that blue LED so it doesn't bug you at night. Really like these. We'll put a link to those below. They're just on Amazon. Go Code Threshold trim kit. Although he relocated the factory dome lights here, he actually wired the back 2 puck lights to these factory dome lights. So it turns on and off when he opens the doors. It turned out real neat. There's a headliner shelf up here. Usually we shove all the wonderful stuff up there, and then of course the Go Code on the end. We do not have this as a factory option for our walls. He had these painted. So before you ask, no, we don't make these. This is just a paint grade material that was coated by a professional, and it came out really, really nice. Don't have enough good things to say about this because I am really impressed. Now the elephant in the room. Yes, this is a black hex ply stealth ceiling kit. It's actually lighter in weight than the maple and the bamboo. It's a load-bearing core with that same hardened phenolic resin coating up top, and with black oxide hardware. It is a really, really good look. especially because of the fact that he made his lower panels black hex ply, so it all ties in very, very nicely. This beauty here is a Setco dual zone fridge freezer. He actually had it wrapped orange to match the accent. You notice the Mercedes emblem in front was orange. The back is also orange. This guy is dual zone, so you can adjust the temperature on either side to whatever you want. That thing is pretty neat. I'm going to close up that box, get a couple more shots for you guys, and wrap this thing up. All right, folks, that wraps up this walkthrough. I know it was a short, quick video. Again, this is fully DIY. If you have any questions about the build or what he put in it, leave them below. I will get in touch and get those answers for you. Again, thanks for watching. If you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, head to facebook.com/SurgSupply. We'd love to see photos and videos of your build. Share it with the group. Thanks again, and happy building.